Did you see what Dennis Rodman did? This right here is a picture of Dennis Rodman with a tattoo of his girlfriend on his face. This man is 62 years old. What's interesting is that I just did an interview with him. Wait, where's that coming from?
What phone is that? Oh, that's my ankle monitor.
You got to plug in? Is this running out? Uh-oh.
Low battery. Hold on.
Okay. How long does it take to recharge?
Nah, I think I got it.
Oh, you got that? Can we keep this on tape? We're going to keep this on tape.
Fuck. No, this shit ain't happening to me.
Found it? Okay. I mean, Dennis Rodman tattooed his girlfriend's face on his face. What's interesting is I just did an interview with him. This was before the tattoo. And the girl that I was working with is this girl. And I remember when I saw it, because I remember I saw her in the video in the background. I'm like, I hit her up. I'm like, is that you in the tattoo? She's like, yeah. I'm like, yo, this is wild. This is wild.
He been wild, man. He been wild.
Yeah, but this is a new level of wild.
Yeah, but man, every day, every couple months, bro, I shake my head, bro, and I be like, what has this world turned into? You know, it's different, bro. It's different, bro. Everything is different, bro.
Social media has allowed people the opportunity to be rewarded for extreme bad behavior.
Right. I saw some shit Nicki was saying, and that was the truth.
Who?
Nicki Minaj.
What'd she say?
She said that, back in the game, you had to have talent to get on.
Mm-hmm.
You had to be talented to get somewhere. Now it's a gimmick.
Yeah.
You can shoot straight up, man. You can, it's crazy, man. It's different.